So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Optimism ticker symbol OP in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple app, make sure to go into your crypto account. Then once you're in the crypto account, simply go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on this screen, scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto. Then once you're on this screen, scroll all the way down until you see Optimism or ticker symbol OP. So scroll all the way down right here. Optimism, ticker symbol OP. Press on Optimism right here. Then once you're in this screen, scroll all the way down to where it says buy and press on buy. Then type in however much money you want to invest into Optimism. So I'll just press on Optimism right here. I'll press on 1. There you go. Press continue. Then once you're in this screen, simply just press on confirm order, and then you guys will buy Optimism coin, ticker symbol OP in Canada here on Wealthsimple, and I hope this video helped.